guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we will see the embryological, and this is going to be the embryological derivatives of the eye. So to get started, first we see the neuroectoderm. So neuroectoderm. So what does this neuroectoderm contain? So the derivatives here are the smooth muscles. So it includes the smooth muscles, and this is nothing but of the iris. So smooth muscles of the iris, that is the sphincter, and the dilator, this is the pupillae. Next comes the ciliary epithelium and also the iris epithelium. Next, there is the fibers of the optic nerve, that is the optic nerve fibers, and also the secondary and the tertiary vitreous. There is a secondary as well as a tertiary vitreous. Then comes the retina and the retinal pigment epithelium. So there is the retina and the retinal pigment epithelium. So this was about the neuroectoderm. Then moving on, we look at the surface ectoderm. So under the surface ectoderm, it includes the crystalline lens, then comes the corneal epithelium, next is the conjunctival epithelium. So the C epitheliums are present, the corneal epithelium, the conjunctival epithelium. So here in surface ectoderm, there is a gland, that is a lacrimal gland, and there is also presence of the tarsal glands. So there is tarsal glands as well. Then we move on to the mesoderm. So under mesoderm, it includes the extraocular. So this presence of the extraocular muscles. So M for the muscles, that is extraocular muscles. Then comes the supratemporal part of the sclera. Supratemporal part of the sclera. And there is also the choroidal vessels. Choroidal vessels. Then the primary vitreous, as well as the vascular endothelium. So the vascular endothelium, then the extraocular muscles, everything comes under the mesoderm. Endothelium. Next we move on to the neural crest. So under the neural crest, there are the corneal stroma and also the keratocytes. Next is the endothelium. Then there is also the sclera, and here the sclera is except, there is an exception. So except the supratemporal. So supratemporal, everything is included. Next comes, there is the iris also, the iris and the choroid stroma. Next is, there is a uveal melanocytes, the uveal melanocytes, as well as the conjunctival melanocytes. Lastly, there is a ciliary muscles. There is ciliary muscles as well. So uveal melanocytes, conjunctival melanocytes, and there is ciliary muscles as well. So this was all about the embryological derivatives of the eye. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.